لِلصَّائِمِ فَرْحَتَانِ. The person who is fasting, there are two times when he's going to be happy and joyful. And the hadith, Imam al-Bukhari and Muslim both narrated in the Sahih min hadith 𝗪𝗶𝗺𝗀. لِلصَّائِمِ فَرْحَتَانِ يَفْرَحُهُمَا. The person who is fasting, he has two times when he is happy. إِذَا أَفْطَرَ فَرِحَ بِفِطْرِهِ. He is happy when he breaks his fast. Because that whole day, the effort and the hard work he exerted, he's happy that he's accomplished it. وَإِذَا لَقِيَ رَبَّهُ. And when he meets his Lord the day of judgment, فَرِحَ بِصَوْمِهِ. He is happy with the fasting that he has fasted. It was a true fasting. It was a fasting that fulfilled the meaning of what fasting was. So this is a great virtue for the people who are fasting.